She loved me at my worst. You had me at my best. And you chose to break my heart. Wow. Saan ba nanggagaling yung mga ganun na linya, no? For those who are not familiar, that was actually John Lloyd Cruz in his character Popoy, no? In One More Chance. And I think yan yung one of the most iconic movies of the millennial generation, no? Maraming nakarelate at maraming siguro talagang naging emotional about the characters and their stories kasi siguro pinagdaanan din nila. Pero paano ba natin nagawa yung mga ganun na linya? Maybe, yeah, care to share a bit more? Ano ba, galing sa experience ba yon? Parang alam ko hindi eh, pero...
Alam na alam mong hindi galing sa
Oo,
experience yun.
pero yun nga, saan ba nanggagaling yung mga ganun na banat?
Kasi yun yung yun yung hinihingi ng situation. But I do remember when I was writing One More Chance, it was a lot of listening to music, precisely because it wasn't my experience.
What music were you listening to?
Music from the 80s, Toto.
Toto.
Lalo na yung when they broke up in UST, kaya 'di ba meron siya dong line na I want my heart to stop breaking, bash. Ang pinakikinggan ko noon was I Won't Hold You Back and oh my gosh, what was the other song? There was another song that I was listening to on loop precisely because it wasn't my experience, but I had to approximate what it would feel like and what these characters were going to say at the point of heartbreak. Yon. But I didn't write that alone, and I'm so thankful that I was writing it with someone else. At nagbabatuhan kami ng linya, although pareho kaming wala experience sa heartbreak.
Sino to? Shout out naman natin para
Si Carmi Raimundo.
si Ma'am Carmi Raimundo.
So,
I think you guys wrote a couple of movies together.
Yes.
What are the other movies you guys wrote together?
Before One More Chance, we wrote an episode in All About Love. So kami
Okay.
yung episode ni Ann Curtis and ni Luis Manzano.
Okay.
And then after that, we wrote together with the original scriptwriter, si Raz de la Torre, yung You Are the One. So kaming tatlo yun sa You Are the One. That's the one with Sam and Tony. And tuwing mini-mention yun, lagi sasabihin sa akin, yung may baboy, yung may console, yes, that's the movie.
Yan ba yung parang pumunta sila sa probinsya tapos nakisali siya sa
Yes.
Fiesta Games which
Yes.
involved habulan ng baboy?
Baboy, yes. And in the end kasi, he dresses up as a baboy. Kasi,
Tama,
yun
napanood
yung,
ko yan.
yung sa kalagitnaan kasi ng Rojas Boulevard, sinabi niya, I don't have a heart that can love Sally. Before he said that, he was asking, Sally, could you forgive me? Pansinin mo ako. What would it take? And sabi ni Sally, wala, napipikon lang. Sabi niya, maging baboy ka, ewan, gumanon. Tapos sa ending, syempre, nung he had to win her back, he
That's
dressed
right.
up as a baboy.
That's right.
Yun.
That's right. Yeah, now I remember watching that film.
That one. And then the third one was One More Chance. And then the last time was, what do you call this, A Second Chance. And then yung recent lang, yung Meet, Greet, and Buy, nag-contribute kami ni Carmi dun sa script nung family movie namin, yung last family movie namin na Meet, Greet, and Buy, yung starring Marcel, Piolo, Joshua, JK, and Belle. So,
Okay.
yun.
Good. Parang, ang galing nun. Parang may mga tao talaga din na pagkatrabaho mo, parang dynamic duo kayo eh. Parang you contribute and complement each other's strengths and styles.